Mumbai Indians continued their ascent in the IPL, that is the Indian Premier League, with a 4-wicket victory over the Sunrisers Hyderabad in a one-sided contest on the tricky wicket on Thursday. Led by the Bulljacks, who played a decisive role with a fine 36, that is 26 ball, 3 into 4s and 3 into 6s. After a crucial spell of 3-0 and 14-12, the Mumbai Indians executed an all-round show to record their second consecutive win. However, there were no changes to the points table, as the Mumbai Indians with the 6 points and the SRH, that is the Sunrisers Hyderabad, with the 4 points remained 7th and 9th respectively. Similarly, there were no changes in the orange cap and the purple caps list, still led by the Lucknow Super Giants, that is LSG, vice captains Nicholas Pooran 357 run and Chennai Super Kings spinner Noor Ahmed 12 wickets respectively. The home side come on the top for having asserted the Wankhede Stadium pitch accurately and adapting quickly to the condition it presented, with each of the pieces falling in place for the 5-time winners. Mumbai Indians fast bowler used the short and the slower ball well throughout the first innings and nailed their Yorkers perfectly. Also in the run chase, the Mumbai Indian batters slowed a clear plan to keep finding the boundaries which kept them on top. Chasing 163 on a pitch which had grip and turn, Mumbai Indians were also benefited by the SRH's reluctance to bring on the spin in the power play, as the home side made 166 on 6 in the 18.1 overs to record their third win of the season. Even though Rohit Sharma endured another failure after a promising start in which he made 26 of 16 ball with 3 sixes, this gave the Mumbai Indians the momentum with the bat and other capitalized on it. Opener Ryan Rickelton made a fluent 31, while the Surya keep also Yadav hammered the 2 sixes and as many 4s to make 26 of 15 balls to provide a strong support to Jacks. Also, captain Hardik Pandya also played a crucial cameo of 21 of just 9 balls to make Mumbai Indians to the threshold of victory. Tilak Verma 21 not out then took the Mumbai Indians over the line after a late minor hiccup, as the home side reached 166 for the 6 in the 18.1 overs. In the first half, Sunrisers Hyderabad found late momentum with the bat to fight their way through and post 162 for 5. Also, with the surface at the Wankhede Stadium providing grip and turn for the spinners and lower deliveries also giving dividends to the pace bowlers, Sunrisers Hyderabad batters struggled to adapt to the wicket for most part of the innings, but a big finish 57 runs coming off the last 5 overs gave the Sunrisers Hyderabad some much needed impetus towards the end.